Hello, let's try to make this a simple question by solving together. So the question reads, the function f and g are defined by f of x is equals to 1 over 2 minus x, where x is not equal to 2 and g of x is equal to 4 minus 2 over 3 x. Question 1 reads, find a fg of x and b the value of x for which fg of x is equal to g of x. So this particular question came in 2022 paper 1 and it was on question 4. So the whole question carries 6 marks. Okay, so let's try to solve it together and see how we can get these 6 marks. Okay, so we've been given two important functions of f of x. So let's just take notes of f of x, which is equal to 1 over 2 minus x, isn't it? 2 minus x. We also have g of x, which is equals to 4 minus 2x over 3. So these are the important functions that we have. Okay, so let's try to find fg of x, because that's question A. Okay, find fg of x. So fg of x, this g of x, they simply means that where there is on the function of f of x, on this function of f of x, where there is x, we replace with g with the function of g. So writing like fg of x the same as fg x, it's the same. Writing like this is the same as writing like that. Okay, so they simply means that where there is x in this function, we replace with the function of g. Okay, so I've got this f of x function. So where there is x, we're going to replace with our gx function. So we're going to have f g of x is equal to 1 over 2 minus, remember whether there is x, we replace this function of gx. So we are going to have 4 minus 2x over 3, isn't it? Okay, so 1 it's here, so 1, so let's write a 1 on top like this. Okay, then we just expand, so we proceed. Fg of x is equal to 1 over 2 negative 4 multiplied by 4, negative 4 multiplied by 4, this will give us a negative 4. Negative multiplied by negative, this will give us a positive 2x over 3 over 3. Okay, then if you see here 2 and negative 4, they're like terms you can subtract. So we are going to have our g of x is equal to, don't forget your 1 over 2 minus 4. So here we subtract and get the sign from a bigger number. 2 minus 4, it gives you negative 2 plus 2x over 3. Okay, so having reached this side, you just now find the common denominator here, and the common denominator, it will be 3. So here we're going to have 3 down, and we do 1 into 3 to give us 3 multiplied by negative 6. So we're going to have f g of x is equal to 1 divide negative so we find the common denominator, so our common denominator will be 3, isn't it? Okay, will be 3. So we do here there's 1, so we do 1 into 3, it will give us 3 multiplied by negative 2. So here we're going to have negative 6 plus 3 into 3, 1 multiplied by this to give us 2x. So kindly follow, like, and comment. You shouldn't even forget to subscribe. Okay, so having reached this side, you know that when you reach this side, the division sign changes into multiplication, and when it does that, the denominator and the numerator swap. So this will come here and this will come down when the sign changes. Okay, so finally how reach this side where we're going to have g of x is equal to 1 multiplied by 3 over negative 6 plus 2x, and if you multiply here 1, it won't affect anything. Hence our f g of x is equal to 3 over negative 6 plus 2x. Okay, so we have found our f g of x. So let's now proceed to question 2. So question B reads the value of x for which fg of x is equals to g of x. So here they just simply means that the fg that we found, which is here, we equate it to g of x, and then we find the value of x. Okay, so let's solve this. So they have told us that this fg of x is equals to gx. Okay, so let's have our fg of x here. So we've got the fg of x, which is 3 over, so I'm going to have 3 here, 3 over our fg of x, which is this one, isn't it? Negative 6 plus 2x over negative 6 plus 2x is equal to fg of x. So this is fg of x that we wrote here, 4 minus 2x over 3. So we're going to have 4 minus 2x over 3, like this. 4 minus 2x over 3. Okay, so we have 3 over negative 6 plus 2x is equal to, here when we find the common denominator, it will be 3. We do 1 into 3 to give us 3 multiplied by 4. This will give us 12 minus 3 into 3, 1 multiplied by this to be 2x. Okay, it will be 2x. Then after reaching this side, we just closely multiply. So we're going to have 3 multiplied by 3. This will give us 9, isn't it? So 9 is equal to negative 6 multiplied by 12. You just get your calculator. 6 multiplied by 12. This will give you 72. So since there it's negative, you know that negative multiplied by positive, it will give you negative. So we are going to have negative 72. Then we also do negative multiplied by negative. This will give you positive 6 multiplied by 2x. This will give you 12x. Then you do 2x multiplied by 12. It's 24, isn't it? So we are going to have 24x. Sorry, this is 24. This is 2. This is 4. 24x. Then you also do 2x multiplied by negative 2x to give you negative 4x squared. Negative 4x squared. Okay. So we have our 9 is equal to negative 72. 12x plus 24. 12x plus 24. This will give you 36. It will give us 36x. Okay. Minus 4x squared. Minus 4x squared. Then we just take this to this side, isn't it? So we are going to have negative 72 minus 9 when it comes to this side, isn't it? Minus 9 plus 36x minus 4x squared is equals to 0. Is equals to 0. So negative 72 minus 9, since we're dealing with the same sign, we just add. So this will give us 81. So don't forget the negative, you get the sign from a bigger number. So 81 plus 36x minus 4x is equals to 0. Okay, then we can arrange this in a quadratic equation. So if we arrange this in a quadratic equation, we're going to have negative 4x squared plus 36x minus 81 is equals to 0. So this and this, they're just one and the same. We've just rearranged. Then after reaching this side, you just find your product sum factor. So product, we've got 4 multiplied by 36. This will give us 4 multiplied by 81. Sorry, we do A multiplied by C. 4 multiplied by negative 4 multiplied by negative 81. It will give us 324. 324. Then our sum, we just get this one, which is our B, right? So we're going to have 36 here, 36 down here. Then we find our factor. So the factor means that two numbers, when we multiply, it gives us this, and then when you add, it gives us this. So what are those three numbers? So when you think, you're going to find out that it's 18 and 18. Okay, let's prove. 18 multiplied by 18, it will give us 324. You see? Okay, 324. Then we also do 18 plus 18, it will give us 36. So this qualifies. Okay, so this is our factor. Then you just come here in your equation, you just do negative 4x squared, you get 18 plus 18, you put x. Okay, you also get this 18 plus 18x, you get this. So we ignore this, we just replace here with this. This one, we are going to ignore it. It's equals to 0. Okay, then just factorize this, this and this, also this and this. So if you see here which one is common, so we're going to see that it's negative 2. So negative 2, so we're going to have negative 2x outside, isn't it? So negative 2x into 4x squared, we're going to remain with 2x. Okay, negative into positive, we're going to have negative here. So 2x into 18x, this is 9, isn't it? Plus, so here what's common? So what's common here means the highest number that's going to 18 and 81 without saving any remainder. So we're going to find out that it's 9. So I have 9 here. So 9 into 18, it will give us, or 9 into 18x, it will give us 2x minus 9 into 81. This will give us 9 is equal to 0. Okay, so after reaching this side, you just get this and this. Okay, this and this, also this, you just get this itself, and this and this. So we're going to have negative 2x plus 9 is equals to 0, or 2x minus 9 is equals to 0. So here it's either negative 2x is equals to negative 9, or 2x is equals to 9, isn't it? Or 2x is equals to 9. Okay, then we just divide both sides by negative 2. Negative 2 here by 2 by 2. So this and this will go. So we have 9 divides 2. This will give us 4.5. Okay, negative, or 4.5. So x is equals to 4.5. X is equals to 4.5. Even this side, to give you the same 9 divided 2 to give you 4.5. Okay, so this is how you can do such a question. Okay, don't forget to follow, like, subscribe, and comment. I greet you.